Sleep is one of the most essential components of good health, affecting both mental and physical well-being. Yet, it is often overlooked in favor of busy schedules, entertainment, or late-night work. Not only do we need to get enough sleep, but it is also critical to sleep at the right time to maintain the body's internal clock, known as the circadian rhythm. In this video, we will explore why sufficient sleep is crucial for our health, the consequences of sleep deprivation, and why timing matters just as much as sleep quantity. Why do we need to sleep on time? 1. Aligning with the circadian rhythm. The body operates on an internal 24-hour clock known as the circadian rhythm, which regulates the sleep-wake cycle, hormone production, digestion, and other physiological functions. This rhythm is heavily influenced by environmental cues, particularly light and darkness. When we sleep on time, usually during nighttime hours when it's dark, our circadian rhythm stays in sync, leading to better sleep quality and overall health. Sleeping out of sync with the circadian rhythm disrupts hormone levels, including melatonin, the hormone responsible for promoting sleep. Delaying sleep can interfere with melatonin production, making it harder to fall asleep and wake up feeling refreshed. 2. Impact of shift work and irregular sleep schedules. People with irregular sleep schedules, such as shift workers, are at higher risk of developing sleep disorders and chronic health issues. Working late night or rotating shifts forces the body to stay awake when it is biologically programmed to rest, disrupting the circadian rhythm. Shift workers often suffer from insomnia, fatigue, digestive problems, and an increased risk of obesity, diabetes, and cardiovascular disease. For those with non-traditional schedules, maintaining a consistent sleep pattern, whether day or night, can help reduce the negative effects of disrupted sleep cycles. Using blackout curtains, limiting caffeine, and practicing relaxation techniques before bedtime can improve sleep quality for shift workers. 3. Effects of late-night habits on sleep quality. Staying up late and waking up late, even on weekends, can harm sleep quality by disrupting the body's internal clock. Known as social jet lag, this behavior mimics the effects of changing time zones and makes it harder to return to a normal sleep schedule. Late-night activities, such as using electronic devices, also expose the brain to blue light, which suppresses melatonin production and delays sleep onset. Developing a consistent bedtime routine and limiting screen time before bed can promote better sleep. Relaxing activities like reading or meditating help signal to the brain that it's time to wind down. 4. Hormonal regulation and timing of sleep. Many hormones follow a 24-hour cycle and are released at specific times. For example, cortisol, the stress hormone, naturally peaks in the early morning to help us wake up and decreases in the evening to prepare the body for sleep. Going to bed late can interfere with cortisol levels, causing higher stress levels and difficulty waking up on time. The timing of sleep also affects growth hormones, which are primarily released during deep sleep. For children and adolescents who require more sleep than adults, sleeping on time is essential for proper growth and development. 5. Mental and physical performance. Sleeping on time ensures that we wake up feeling refreshed and ready for the day. Research shows that people who maintain a regular sleep schedule perform better cognitively and physically. Athletes, for instance, experience better muscle recovery, faster reaction times, and improved endurance when they sleep at consistent times. Similarly, students and professionals benefit from regular sleep patterns, as they improve concentration, problem-solving skills, and emotional resilience. Conversely, irregular sleep schedules result in fatigue, poor decision-making, and decreased productivity. You know why it's important to sleep on time, but what about getting enough sleep? Let's find out. 1. Physical restoration and immune health. Sleep is the body's natural way of repairing itself. During deep sleep stages, tissues regenerate, and muscles recover from daily wear and tear. This is also when the body releases growth hormones, which are essential for cell repair, muscle development, and healthy growth in children. If we do not get enough sleep, the body misses out on these vital processes, making us more susceptible to injuries, infections, and slower recovery. Inadequate sleep can also compromise immune function. When we sleep, the immune system releases protective cytokines that help fight off infections and inflammation. Without enough sleep, the production of these cytokines is reduced, increasing the likelihood of falling sick and prolonging recovery from illnesses. 2. Brain function and cognitive abilities. Sleep plays a crucial role in maintaining brain health. While we sleep, the brain processes and consolidates information gathered throughout the day, converting short-term memories into long-term ones. This is especially true during REM, rapid eye movement, sleep, which is associated with creativity and problem-solving. Sleep also flushes out waste products from the brain, helping prevent neurological issues in the long term. Insufficient sleep can impair concentration, memory, and decision-making abilities, leading to poor academic and work performance. It also increases the likelihood of accidents due to reduced alertness and slower reaction times, especially in tasks that require quick thinking, such as driving. 3. Emotional stability and mental health. Sleep is essential for emotional regulation. A lack of sleep makes individuals more prone to stress, irritability, and mood swings. The brain's emotional centers, such as the amygdala, become overactive when we are sleep-deprived, leading to heightened responses to negative situations. Over time, chronic sleep deprivation increases the risk of mental health issues, including anxiety and depression. In contrast, regular and sufficient sleep supports emotional resilience, improves mood, and helps us manage stress better. Sleep strengthens our ability to process emotions, preventing us from becoming overwhelmed by negative feelings. 4. Metabolic regulation and weight control. Sleep plays a vital role in regulating metabolism and appetite. Hormones that control hunger, such as leptin and ghrelin, are affected by sleep. Leptin signals fullness, while ghrelin stimulates hunger. When sleep is insufficient, leptin levels decrease, and ghrelin levels rise, leading to increased hunger and cravings for unhealthy foods. Furthermore, chronic sleep deprivation can reduce insulin sensitivity, increasing the risk of obesity and type 2 diabetes. People who do not get enough sleep are more likely to gain weight due to disrupted appetite regulation and reduced energy levels, which discourage physical activity. 5. Heart health and longevity. Adequate sleep helps maintain heart health by lowering blood pressure and reducing inflammation. When we sleep, our heart rate and blood pressure naturally decrease, giving the cardiovascular system time to rest. Sleep deprivation disrupts this process, leading to consistently elevated blood pressure and increasing the risk of heart disease, stroke, and other cardiovascular problems. Studies have also shown that people who get adequate sleep live longer and are less likely to suffer from chronic illnesses. How to improve sleep quality and timing. 1. Establish a sleep routine. Going to bed and waking up at the same time every day, including weekends, helps regulate the body's internal clock. Developing a bedtime routine, such as taking a warm bath, meditating, or reading, signals the brain that it's time to wind down. 2. Create a sleep-friendly environment. A cool, dark, and quiet bedroom promotes better sleep. Using blackout curtains, earplugs, or white noise machines can help minimize disruptions. It's also essential to avoid using electronic devices before bed, as blue light from screens interferes with melatonin production. 3. Limit stimulants and heavy meals. Avoid caffeine, nicotine, and heavy meals in the evening, as they can interfere with sleep. Opt for a light snack if needed, and try herbal teas like chamomile to promote relaxation. 4. Manage stress and anxiety. Stress and anxiety are common causes of sleep disturbances. Practicing relaxation techniques, such as deep breathing or journaling, can help calm the mind before bedtime. If you like this content and find it useful, please give us a like, share it with others, and subscribe to our channel. We would also love to hear your thoughts in the comments section below.